Welcome to Alone Business Channel. This time, we will create a different lookup table for Cyberpunk. This is how we will do the color grading. Now let's do it. Let's use image 5. Import the image in Lightroom. Edit the white balance. Temp 35. Tint plus 35. Contrast plus 10. Highlights minus 80. Shadows minus 10. White level minus 30. Black level plus 20. Dullness removal plus 20. Vibrance plus 20. Saturation plus 4. Set 2. Edit the tone curve. Make the point curve look like this. Edit the HSL/color. Hue. Red minus 70. Orange plus 10. Yellow plus 10. Green 0. Aqua plus 80. Blue 30. Purple 10. Magenta plus 60. Saturation. Red 40. Orange 20. Yellow 40. Green 0. Aqua 20. Blue 20. Purple 40. Magenta minus 10. Brightness. Red 10. Orange 30. Yellow plus 20. Green 0. Aqua 10. Blue 10. Purple plus 20. Magenta plus 30. Before and after. Click Copy Settings. Check the items you have edited and click Copy. Select the image you created with the lookup table generator. Click Paste Settings. Export the image. Launch Premiere Pro. Add Adjust Layer. Select Adjust Layer. Click Browse under Input Lookup Table. Select My Lookup Table 5.cube. Lookup Table is now added to the Adjust Layer. Let's check it out. Let's see how it has changed. Let's look at it again. We can now direct the color grading. Let's compare My Lookup Table 4.cube and My Lookup Table 5.cube. Thank you for watching the video to the end. My goal is to increase my channel subscribers. Your help will help. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.